You're sitting in an exam room, you flip the paper, and suddenly your brain goes blank. It pretends that it has never seen that subject before. Not because you're stupid, but because you studied the wrong way. Here's the uncomfortable truth no one tells you. Most people don't fail because they lack effort. They fail because they wasted their last few days doing things that feel productive but aren't. Toppers never make this mistake. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to cram for an exam like ayanokoji. No motivation, no aesthetic notes with different color pens, just pure results. Miss this, and you'll keep repeating the same exam trauma every year. Phase 1. Cram Matrix. Before touching the book, create a cram matrix. 4 boxes. Axis 1. Is it a strength or weakness? Axis 2. Is it tested heavily or lightly? You get 4 priorities. Priority 1. Weakness that's tested heavily. Strength that's tested heavily becomes priority 2. Weakness that's tested lightly is optional. Review them if you have time left. And you can ignore strength that's tested lightly. Most students panic and review priority 4 first because it feels safe. Top students never do that. They attack high-yield weaknesses first. There's a simple rule. 80% of marks comes from 20% of concepts. Your job is to find that 20%. How? Skim previous exams, read question patterns, count repetitions. No studying yet, only finding that 20%. Phase 2. Foundation. Yes, rereading is bad, but when you're cramming, having zero understanding is even worse. Your goal here is recognition, not mastery. So, step 1, watch a quick YouTube explanation. Step 2, read summaries, not chapters. Step 3, teach the main idea of the chapter to yourself in 60 seconds. This helps prevent panic during practice. Obito didn't become dangerous because he trained longer. He became dangerous because he understood the system he was fighting in. Understanding is our priority right now. Optimization comes later. Phase 3, practice. This is where marks are actually created. Active recall beats everything else, seriously. Reading kind of feels productive because of something called the mere exposure effect, but your brain just confuses familiarity with competence. That's exactly how students get totally shocked in exams. So, what should you do instead? Solve as many different types of questions as possible. Use AI to generate practice problems. You can even ask AI to come up with easier or harder questions until you feel ready. After every session, write down a mistakes list. Compile a list of all the mistakes with solutions so you can review them at the last moment. Shikamaru wins because he studies patterns, not just isolated moves. Ask yourself, what keeps repeating? What trick keeps fooling me? This is high-return studying. Study rules most students ignore. These rules might sound small, but they actually make a big difference. Rule 1, handwritten only. Paper forces you to think, while typing just makes you feel like you're learning faster when, honestly, you're not learning at all. Rule 2, no phone during break. If you spill dopamine during breaks, your focus in the next session totally collapses. Rule 3, HIT studying. Short, brutal focus sessions for a set period of time, then rest. Also, in each session, decide what you're going to study. Remember Parkinson's law. Work expands according to the time available for it. Give yourself less time, you'll perform better. Anime characters don't grind endlessly, they recover. So hey, give yourself rest. Do some light physical activity during your hit breaks, and remember to stay hydrated. Avoid carb overload, and seriously, be careful with your caffeine intake. Do not, like never ever, pull an all-nighter. Think about it. A runner who has a marathon tomorrow isn't torturing his body today. He's resting. And in your case, you should sleep. During those cram days, give yourself 2 options, either study or sleep, nothing else. Memory consolidation happens during sleep. A tired brain can forget even what it knows. The cheat sheet technique. Imagine, what if the teacher allowed you to bring 1 sheet of paper into the exam? What would you write? That list is your true syllabus. Now just study what makes it onto that page. Mind map the topic, don't waste your precious time making notes. Efficiency beats aesthetics, every time. Cramming isn't inherently bad, it's strategic compression. The difference between average students and toppers isn't intelligence, it's knowing where to aim when time is short. Anime characters don't rely on motivation, they rely on systems. Now you have one. Done. No moral lesson, no pep talk, no confetti. Just linguistic conversion as requested.